Hi, I'm Nathan, one of the product specialists for Makita UK, and I'm here today to demonstrate the LM001C contractor grade lawnmower for tools for trade. The unit is powered by either the PDC 1200 or PDC 01 Makita backpack battery options. It features a 21-inch or 53cm pressed steel deck. The unit features 23cm polystrong wheels with internal and external bearings for prolonged life and ease on the motor when driving. It's a four-wheel lawnmower with single point height adjustment with 10 height settings ranging from 100mm all the way down to 20mm. It's a three-function deck offering cut and collect, cut and mulch via a mulch plug, cut and drop via the rear chute. The mulching plug that's included with the mower allows it to be used for mulching, where your new growth gets cut, shred and dropped back into the lawn to act as a natural fertiliser and add moisture to your lawn, keeping it healthy all year round. The unit comes complete with a side discharge chute for mowing longer areas where cut and drop wouldn't be possible. The unit's recommended for maintaining areas up to 6,900 metres squared, which is an absolutely massive area. It has numerous running options, including a standard running mode which allows the unit to run at 2800 RPM for maximum quality of cut and collection, and a quiet mode for running at 2300 RPM for those noise conscious areas. It also features a respond to load mode or assist mode, which allows the unit to dictate how much power is put through to the blade and at what speed to ensure that the maximum cut quality is gained with the maximum amount of runtime at the quietest possible level. It features an infinitely controllable drive speed via this lever here, and both the blade and drive systems are independent of one another, meaning the drive can be activated without the need for the blade to be running. The unit features a two-stage blade activation to prevent accidental engagement of the blade by the user. If you pull the red lever in without pressing in the corresponding button, nothing happens. The corresponding button on the right hand side has to be pressed by the operative to engage the blades. To prevent tampering while the user is away from the machine, it features an isolation or service key. This can be removed, isolating the machine and ensuring that the blade or drive cannot be accidentally engaged while the user is away from the machine. Let's see it in action. So as you can see, a professional quality finish, exactly in line with the petrol machine would do, a massive cut area and a lovely quiet mower for residential areas or around noise sensitive areas. The recommended battery for this unit, the PDC 1200, can be charged on the unit by removing the umbilical lead and charging via the port on the battery, or with the battery removed away from the mower. A fantastic machine and must have for every contractor. Thanks for choosing Makita.